We're here at Te Kura Wiwini, Te Kura Wawana National Secondary School's Kapa Haka competition to ask our youth what they think about the event.
It's been great seeing like all the schools perform, and it's been just a good opportunity to be up here so far.
Mean get together, mean watching Kappas.
Who's your favourite team?
Te Ote, of course.
Yeah, Te Ote.
Kia ora, we're from Hastings boys and our favourite group is Raukura so far. And shout out to my mum and dad.
My name's Nikita, this is Jeannie and this is Lauren, and our favourite team is Hotapolda.
And us.
Oh, and shout out to everyone in Wairoa and Kahununu and everyone there. So
And shout out to my mum.
It's really good. It's really like all the groups are just so like powerful. Yeah.
And what do you guys think about Gisborne?
It's warmer than Dunedin. Way warmer.
Hello, we're from Rotorua Girls High School, and this is our shout out for our team Raukura. Ready? Ko wai te kura! Raukura!
Mean performers. Yeah, no, just mean as.
What's been your favourite part of the competition?
The kai.
What's your favourite part?
Power. Power.
Yeah. And what do you think of the Gisborne weather?
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
And your favourite team been so far?
Kura Kuta and Hatopaura. They should have made it, but they didn't.
And ngā tai Aotea Wharikura.
Yeah.
I'm Bobby.
Kia ora guys, I'm Tarangi.
What kura are you from?
We're from
Ngā tai Aotea Wharikura.
yeah.
What do you guys enjoyed about the competition so far?
It's been pretty hearty. All the groups are pretty mean.
It's pretty intense. Loving how the groups are going hard, working for their positions.
Pukana!